I'm about to show you exactly how I made $1 million online with affiliate marketing. No other guru is going to be willing to share this with you. This is a step-by-step showing you exactly how I was able to do it and how I would do it if I was you right now and I would start completely from zero. First of all, if you're new to the channel, my name is the infamous Joel, and I did 7 years in prison back in 2019, came home, started doing affiliate marketing, and not quickly, took me a little while to scale to over $2 million online. And in this video, I'm going to break down for you exactly how I made my first $1 million as an affiliate marketer in this video. It's very, very simple. It's very easy. It's one of the easiest tactics, the easiest strategies there is. And I'm surprised not a lot of people are talking about it. It does take a little bit of time, so hang on to your hats. It's not some fast get rich quick scheme or anything like that. But it's some of the realizations in this video that I came to as after I was following all these different gurus and taking their advice, okay? Let's get into it. So this is exactly how I was able to make $1 million online. I've made over 2 million now, but I would say my first million, I made it very, very simply. This is all I did, okay? So if you're new to affiliate marketing and you're thinking, man, how do you do this stuff? It's very simple. A lot of what the gurus teach is true, but there's one specific thing that I always struggled with, and I came up with this new way of doing affiliate marketing that worked extremely, extremely well for me, okay? So first and foremost, you're always going to need, I'm going to draw little boxes here, but you're going to need traffic, right? You're going to need traffic. We all know how affiliate marketing works. If you're on this channel, you're watching this, you've probably been searching for a while, you know how it works, okay? You get an affiliate link for a product or service or coaching or course or something that you're promoting. We don't need to go into that, but with that, you need traffic, right? You need traffic. You need to get eyeballs. You need to get attention. You need to get people coming to you and saying, hey, I want that. Here's the thing. Most beginners, and maybe this is you, and maybe you're guilty of this. I was guilty of this. You grab your affiliate link, you just start spreading it everywhere you possibly can, and you try to just get traffic, okay? But the real and true art of affiliate marketing is being able to not just get traffic, anyone can do that, but to be able to warm up that traffic. What does that mean, warm up the traffic? It means to be able to gain their trust, to be able to gain likability with that traffic, and to be able to, basically befriend that traffic. Just think about when you were in school, you're in grade school and you made your first few friends. You sat at the lunch table, you started talking. That is the process of being a great affiliate marketer. You have to get eyeballs, not just traffic in general, but you have to get people to know, like, and trust you, period. Okay, so you get traffic, and the way that I got traffic for a long, long time was organically, but let's say after a certain amount of time, I got tired, and also I had cash flow, I had profit coming in. Once I started using paid ads, that's when things changed. And a lot of you watching this channel who've gone with me, you know that paid ads is one of my favorite ways to get traffic, if not my favorite way to get traffic. But what I was doing was I was following a lot of what the gurus were teaching, okay? And the gurus were teaching, hey, you're going to run paid ads so that you can get an email list going, right? We've all heard that stuff before. You should know by now that you want to, get a funnel, a sales funnel, collect people's emails so that you can follow up with them, you can build a relationship in general, and all that good stuff. Here's the problem. After I did this for a while, I noticed that either none or very, very few of my affiliate sales and commissions and whatnot were coming in from email. In this day and age, in 2024, you guys can comment down below this video. How many of you guys buy a product or service or something directly from an email that you receive in your inbox? Probably not many, if any at all, right? Email marketing is extremely, extremely difficult, okay? Only the top marketers on the planet, the big entrepreneurs with millions of people on their email list can really pull this off, in my opinion. When you're starting off, trying to sell to your email list is really, really hard. They don't know you, don't like you. You're just a random person sending them emails. And honestly, a lot of emails nowadays, no matter how good you are, sound really robotic, sounds really stupid, etc. So most people either don't open their email at all, it goes to spam, or they just don't buy from an email. So I struggled really, really hard with this for a long time, trying to sell through my email list. So instead, what I started doing, and what I noticed that was a trend for a little while, was, okay, I need to get know, like, and trust, right? That is the number one goal of an affiliate marketer. Get know, like, and trust. You have to gain an audience, gain a following, get people to know, like, and trust you, even if you're going to be faceless, okay? Even if you're going to put out and promote a faceless brand, people still need to know, like, and trust that brand. So what's the better way to do it? And what was my discovery here? Instead, I started sending people, and some of you know this, some of you saw some of my strategies with paid ads. I sent people to a Facebook group instead, okay? By sending people to a Facebook group instead, this was the new email list. For an affiliate marketer, the whole point of an email list, know, like, and trust, follow up with people, get them to know your story, etc., and build those friendships and relationships, right? A lot of people who have been with me for years now, they met me through my Facebook group, okay? So in this Facebook group, the idea here, okay, was once people join the Facebook group, and here's the people, we would nurture them, or I would nurture them, right? I'd give them like free content, right? I'd give them training. I'd give them ebooks. I'd give them cheat sheets. I'd give them so many things, right? To gain that reciprocity, to gain that know, like, and trustability, to gain that friendship, right? Think about someone who's very giving and always helping you out and always giving you everything you need. You're probably going to know, like, and trust them more than the next person. The reason that I was able to beat even the top affiliates and the biggest gurus out there, even though I was very small, I had $50 in my pocket and stuff like that, is I went out of my way to help people inside of my Facebook group. I would show up on camera. I'd tell my story. I would gain that trust, and I would be very transparent with people and show them how to do these strategies the way that I'm showing you right now, okay? And from that Facebook group, that's when you start to sell, okay? That's when you start to promote. And always, always, always be mindful of either if it's your faceless brand or you, okay? Your identity and your personality. Always be mindful of promoting things that you actually believe in. Another beginner pitfall is that they just promote anything. You have to make sure that you actually believe in the thing, and that you actually believe it can help your group, your community, to actually, get the result, whether it be weight loss, relationships, money, whatever it may be. You have to make sure that you believe in this thing. So I tell you this, after everything I've learned, and after I've made $1 million with this right here, the Facebook group, the most important asset to an affiliate marketer is their community. I'm going to repeat that again. As I look back and I connect the dots now, the most important asset you can build is not your email list, okay? We're in 2024, that's 1990 stuff. It's not your email list, although it's still important to build an email list, and I'll get to that in a minute. It is your community. You have to build a sense of community. You have to build a following that knows, like, and trust you, knows, like, and trust each other, and they're really growing together and they're building together. There's one common cause, one common movement. Read the book Expert Secrets by Russell Brunson. That's what you need to build. Now, for a long, long time, if we go over to my Facebook group here, you will see for a long, long time, I built this Facebook group, and I got this all the way up to 4.6 thousand members. And for a long time, this was a really, really, really engaged group. This is where people were commenting, posting. As you can see, I'm not just, talking just to talk. I'm walking the walk. You can see I'm giving away, free stuff, the ads cookbook. I'm asking questions in there. I'm creating polls. I'm, having people raise their hands for free training and free giveaways and free apps and all kinds of stuff that I'm giving away for free. That is the value that I'm adding to people's lives and enriching their lives, helping them make money online. That is my community. I call it the infamous mob because I'm the infamous Joel. That's the branding. That's the idea. So creating that community creates this firestorm where people are clamoring to work with you. They want to buy your affiliate stuff. If you recommend something and you say it's great, they're going to trust your word because you've always been there to help them out. This is a long-term strategy, but just think of this. This is basically an ATM that you can always go to, okay? You can swipe your little card and pull money out of your bank whenever you need it. So some of you right now are thinking, I'm living paycheck to paycheck, and I get it, okay? Hard times, things are rough right now, and you're thinking, it's Monday, you get paid on Friday. How do I make money, between now and then? I have some bills, I have stuff I have to take care of. Well, one of the things is if you create an affiliate community like this, you can always go in here, make a pitch, right? Make a promotion and say, hey, there's this really great product. I think it's going to help you guys out. You're going to get sales, okay, period. But you have to make sure that they're warmed up, meaning every other time you've posted in here, you don't just sell, 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 sell. You're always giving value. You're giving away training, ebooks, all kinds of stuff that you can make ebooks with ChatGPT now. Like, there's so many things you can do, but you are engaging and enriching your community's lives. Now, here's the thing about this funnel. I call this the community funnel. You run paid ads to a community, and with that community, you're going to promote and make sales to that community. The problem now is, I've noticed in the last year or so, Facebook groups have gotten super oversaturated. Most people join them and they just spam, they message people out the wazoo, they do everything totally wrong, they mess up your group. Groups are starting to slowly die. So instead, I've actually jumped over here to School. School.com is a place that's endorsed by Sam Ovens. It's endorsed by, I forget the big guy's name. You know who I'm talking about, guy with the beard and the nose strap thing. I forget it. Alex Hormozy. There it is. It just popped up. But I've created a school community now where I'm switching everything over to a school community instead. The biggest thing here is intent. When people join a Facebook group, their intent might be to sell to your, to your leads, to your people that you grew. Their intent might be to just hang out and kind of ignore it. People join like 300 groups at a time. It's hard to get them to pay attention. It's just a mess. Facebook groups are a mess now. It's not like how it used to be. It's really hard to market in there. It's really hard to grow a community in there. It's really hard to do a lot of things in there and to gain that know, like, and trust that we need to make those sales. But instead, if you create a school group, okay, and you do the exact same process, you run the exact same funnel, you're running ads to your school community, and in here you're posting free content. You're creating, you can go to the classroom here, you can create free trainings. You can, if you want to, you can go to the calendar here, you can create events, free live events where you jump on Zoom and you teach things. And in that process, you're promoting the tools, the picks, and the shovels that they need to get the job done. I'll give you an example. You're in here teaching about weight loss. Maybe you went on a weight loss journey yourself. In the classroom, in the post, in the events that you're creating, you're teaching how to lose weight in the way that you did it, right? And in that process, you are giving away not giving away, but you're promoting the tools that they need. Maybe they need a scale, a special scale that you use. You grab your Amazon affiliate link, you sell that scale in here. Maybe there's a specific book that you read that was really, really good that helped you on your journey. You promote that in here, right? Maybe there's a specific meal plan from a specific website where they can order this meal plan, get your affiliate link, and promote that in here, okay? There's always going to be tools, picks, shovels. I always say that to my clients. Here's what I mean. Back in 1849 during the gold rush, all the people who made the most money were not the people digging for gold. It was the people selling tools, picks, and shovels to go dig for gold. So as people are digging for gold, they're trying to lose weight. They're trying to make money online. They're trying to build their real estate empire. They're trying to do Bitcoin. I don't care what they're trying to do. You're growing a community of those people who are trying to solve a problem in their life. You are helping them solve that problem. That is your asset. That is right. That is your asset. Your community is the asset. That is your value that you're delivering. You're helping people achieve a specific thing. Your income comes from the tools, the picks, and the shovels that you are promoting. Most new affiliates just grab any old affiliate link and just start throwing it out there. Start thinking long-term about your brand, about how you're going to help people, whether it be faceless or your face is all over the brand. We're going to teach you that inside of here. This is the Income Automation Academy that I'm growing now. You can jump in here for a low monthly membership. I'm showing you guys how to run this community funnel and how to automate it almost to 100% sometimes, depending on how you want to do it. Okay, I'm doing about 90% where I'm showing my face, but you can be faceless in here and do 100%. You're running ads to a community. you're feeding that community with value, and then on the back end you're promoting affiliate products, courses, all kinds of stuff. Okay, if you don't want to build your own community, in here you can actually promote mine. I show you how to do it. Okay, and you can make a nice income doing that. But it's all about the recurring income, being able to build a community that you can constantly go to and make cash from because you're delivering value. There is nothing wrong with selling, making money from other people, as long as you're delivering value to those people. That's what making money is all about. If you do it the legit, ethical way, you're always delivering value, and that's the value that you receive in your return is the money that you're, the money that you're owed for, delivering that value. You get what I'm saying? So this is the new funnel. This is the new way to do affiliate marketing. I'm stamping on that. I'm standing on that. In here, we show you how to use AI and automation to automate this entire funnel. Okay, you can literally do this at 100% hands off if you really wanted to. I recommend people do about 90-95% hands off. Okay, so still show your face, still be on here helping people, because really there's no replacement for you being front and center in your business and gaining that know, like, and trust. But there is a certain amount of income you can make even if you're going to be faceless. Okay, and we show you that in here. I'm the infamous Joel. Jump into the Income Automation Academy. Okay, low monthly cost at this moment. It's going to rise as it starts growing and growing. But I'm going to show you how to build that ATM, that cash machine that you can constantly go back to. The email list is dead. The old ways of doing funnels are dead. 100%. I've made over $2 million online. I see the writing on the wall. It just doesn't work anymore. So if you've joined another program and you're getting a bunch of clicks but no sales, that's why. Okay, because people just are numb to that stuff. You need to grow an asset, a real asset. This is real estate right here. If you grow this asset, it's going to pay dividends big time over the next few months. You're going to be making $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 per month because you're growing this asset, okay? I'm the infamous Joel. The link is down below in the description. Join the Income Automation Academy. We show you how to automate this entire funnel, and I'm out.